Yes, people, when they're here and each and everybody want to help Derrick. Me no want, me can't bother come here with the mix up and the bugger with the people and on the Instagram right now. Cause me have a moderator, I got black uno, something no come, she got black uno. Hi Derrick, Morgan, they here, Buttercup, joining. God bless. You each and everybody company live and them go on with a bag of furniture and bag of this and a bag of that. And bag of this. You don't want nobody. No mix. Why two different? Why two profile of the same picture? Everything. Why on the first everything you see? Everything you know to our moderator get rid of the woman for me. As she fast, moderator get rid of the woman. Things you see them people don't know no part. Me fast I'm no businessman. No shut you know too much man. It's a backup page. Me get black and me I just been have to explain to no man. Not too fast, man. Moderator, get rid of the woman for me, please. Get rid of the woman for me, please. She need to go, man. She too fast, man. What things? Where she busy with the part there? Moderator, get rid of her for me now. Text me when you done, Derrick. When I text you already today, you say that give me something you give me. So me can't, me don't know if you do. You say if you text me, I will text you alright. I know you not do nothing for me, you just have to text you. What mean to me here? Get up, moderator, get rid of for me now. Moderator, get rid of she for me now, please. Moderator, get she for me now. Make she come off. She need to come off, man. Shot too much, man. Moderator, when they see that the girl they come on the live, take care of. What's your fault? She not enough to say no. She not enough to say. She does fast. But it's also them say them are mix up. Them are mix up. You talk about yeah 2, 4, 5% the same picture. What you want to say? It's too fast, man. Come on for the live, man. Come on for the live. You chat too much, man. Who come knock you up like while knock you up while Derrick. I have people in my guest house I come I ask me for their money. Money I ask me for you can't help me with $1,000 and now we can't give them a money. I them and not them do for so I owe them. Me owe them. The people with the panel live are ask the same question would knock you up like while Derrick. The people knock them door for them money. I owe them. I'm gonna have it. I'm gonna tell them. I'm gonna come with half of it. I'm gonna have it. Then come knock door. I'm gonna go talk to them and cut out the light and come back and talk again. I owe them. So I ask each and everybody, let me get a go sleep tomorrow night. See the NCB account number there. If anybody will help me. And the money then come for. Get rid of them. Some of them we get rid of. No man, but sometimes people them fast, man. Sometimes you have to block some of them because they don't have then have nothing to say. They don't have nothing to say. Because see them in the panel live, and I cut the live because people then knock the door for them money and they want their money. And I have to give them. So I come on the live and I ask each and everybody have a little donation can give me. I have a little job I can keep to my backyard. I have a little money in my pocket, yes, and buy food. Buy food. I may ask if anybody, meaning if you can go buy some grocery, they have a little snack and a little thing where we can eat. Yes, any kind of person out there. You can come up to people can come there. You know, call them and see me. Means how much money? $2,000 for the night and take a $500 for it. So if you're interested, you can give me a number. I'll put my number, you can call me. If you're not putting me 2 3 1 5 7 0. You can call that number now. You can call me now after year until we meet you and we can give them a money. If you live. You can talk to me. Yeah. Or you could have reached if you don't have enough money to stay. You can meet me. See, put up my number there. I put my number out there. You can call me. Anybody willing to call me, just call me. What kind of them must share bed? What do you mean by share bed? I one person in one room. One person in one room. One person in the room. I slide on a man. I come out of people in place. I beg Master God to help me and help me right now. I can't buy some. Hello?
Hi, Derrick.
I thought me no want to do live, you know, me come in and you sit now, come on, she does come on now. You know what?
Probably something they on.
Eh?
We did just want refresh, cause it's still sometime.
It want what?
Yeah, so probably just do want refresh, cause it's still sometime.
Yeah, true.
Cause it already
Yeah.
know.
Yeah. Them come at the door. Yes, someone asked me say, how come at the door look a while?
So
If
what
you
your friend
explain to
then come call you?
me, your friend come call me.
Oh, so who come call you? We just a come on the line, but who come call you?
I do them come and check about their money.
Oh,
Me not no friend to call me, not no friend. But not no friend. And no friend not pay no for me, so. Me no care nobody here. Passport. Me lie down and up on my phone. And I'm on my bed, brush up myself, and I turn and go up my business. Nobody now give me nothing.
yeah, which is right.
In the morning. I mean, I'm not very ready to send a man to give them a man. You tell me can't bother.
Never say, no guest place. So they want you to stay for outside. You can go and stay and
I guess I'll know now what way before the anything. Let me go all boat. Let me go all boat. Go all boat to them.
You got eat the cake what there, yeah?
Hmm?
You got eat the cake what there when you say you got eat cake?
Where?
What there when you go out, man, with a friend and you say, you did go eat cake and something, bitch, hey.
I'm already the party we go to with my friend. Where? Where you say?
What's your name? Something like the unstoppable service done. Bitch, I have 80,000 megabytes plus Wi-Fi there, me a dunce girl. You're just enough. At the signal drop a while ago, you're just enough and love chat.
What you say?
But my service done.
Them a cost, they want 12 cost, but I cost 9.
Just enough. Why you not come and file live? You eat from night, you eat nothing from there, as a matter of fact. You eat nothing from there. Your house clean, why not go clean up in your house? You come for me. You come chat.
Moderator, get rid of the girl for me. Get rid of the girl for me, moderator. Moderator, get rid of the cut CHIC 83. Get rid of her now. She have to go. She have to go. She have a problem with man. She have a problem with man. If she want man with 6 star, she just call man to make then 6 star. This one I say this is a fish. We never answer him, but we have to block him. Cool. This a woman you know she clean at night and every part of she clean. Every part of she clean, but she don't clean at Jamaica. She clean like wow. She clean. Moderator, get rid of me, please, moderator. As she clean. Call a book and join about the level if you go. Black the girl that for me. Yeah. Color. You're sitting on it there. When they at school, funny say, sorry, be late. You were acting. Yeah, man. That lady is very clean. She clean bad. She clean like a whistle. Whistle, she clean. Like a whistle, she don't clean in Jamaica. Everybody in Jamaica stink. She don't clean. I know me not brush your teeth. I don't brush down the teeth. You want to come brush your teeth? Ray, key, dash, Ray, auntie all your days. You cook, you eat, you bathe, you brush your teeth. No, I'm not brush my teeth, you know, I'm not beard. You want to come beard me? You want to beard me? Come beard me, man. Come give me a good beard. I don't want to come give me a good beard and a good clean. I like to for cleaning. I don't want to come beard me and come brush my teeth. Come give me a good clean up and do all the things with my body and clean up my teeth and everything to me. Yes. Yeah. That's right. Not too bad. No can't come, man. No come. Give me a good clean. Brush my teeth in the morning. Then to the bathroom and bathe me. Powder me up and put me into the bed. And carry my phone and the bed come give me. I don't want nobody to get a complaint of, you know. I'm a bit no one find out. Nobody not going nowhere. Derrick Magan soon gone about in business. Derrick Magan soon gone about in business. That was a matter of time and everything. Guys soon open a way for me. So you not have to tell me more come on and get to come up now. I said you want some try, but you can't try nothing for me. Gentlemen, it's a good night, Uncle Derrick. Can you donate a headband to Uncle Derrick? There's a phone number there, there's a bank account number there. You can do anything for Derrick Magan. Inbox Derrick Magan, no. When we come up for the live, yeah. Give me no. Anybody willing to deal in Derrick Magan can do so. Me want to believe and have faith like Derrick. Hey, you come back. Who want faith for them business that? I have my number out there, sir. I live in Kingston, Jamaica. My number is 1876 203 1570. You can WhatsApp me now. You can DM me now. Right now. Anything you want to donate to Derrick Magan. Just make me just give the people and then they could change tomorrow. I may have a night rest again in the place. Come there, look at work. See there you can read. You can read where Derrick Magan pin. Who can help me out today with a donation to pay the people at the guest house for me? I don't sleep. I don't want to sleep and Wednesday night. Help me. Asking any good person. They let me put my NCB account number there, which is Z063543558. All want come with fake page, I feel they up to them. That not help me. The number there, no one who want to do. A fool Derrick. A fool Derrick. Who want do that, who want do that, who want do this and do that, I feel them up to their business. This is the woman out there. Mother will get rid of the woman of me. X0T-O-R-I. Get rid of me. Get rid of fear of me. Get rid of fear of me, please. Remember black car 2. Go. Black sheep. It's one. Put 1 for it. 1-876-203-1570. Yeah, and that's the error code. 1. Put 1 before the 8. If you want to donate, me say you do that. Me say come every minute you say you want to donate, like you take me for food. You don't want nobody take me for no food. You want donate anything, you inbox me now, because me know not doing anything. You can't fool me. Moderator, get rid of the woman if me know. You want to get rid of the woman there. She's so bright. She too bright. She need to move. Everybody come to disrespect me, they have to go. Right. Anybody come, don't have to go. Not too bright. Have to go. You come back. Moderation, moderator, get up chief, you know. Empress, get up Empress for me, please. Moderator, get up the woman for me, please. She don't have no mind. A man black. A man is lower. Your black she that come on your life. The cool bit woman. What do you see, man? If you come out, moderator, and then see that woman there. If you must take her off, if you come out, she don't know mind, you know. Drunk on the motor, alone. But me eating dry bone. Me not food it like you. I eat dry bone. Me don't want no sleep. We don't want no sleep. Don't want no sleep. Don't want no sleep. Empress too feisty. But she wanna come up but she you know she not shame and no mind. I'm run around black and she still up find fake ways to coming back man. By the way, I see that woman there when the empress if it don't get a chance, it takes her off. Mother Rita get rid of that. Mother Rita get rid of that girl that you know. And then spelled with Ganele. Cause me no much raw space me must have. The one blood clot pace me have. One blood clot pace me have. The one pace me have. Woman, you want me start on your blood clot? No, mother Rita get rid of fear enough, you know. Damn fast. Anybody come on the moderator, get rid of the moderator. Get rid of the moderator. Yeah, the junk let me see. You tell you for another page, that one page me have, one page me have, can with a backup page, it's a backup page, I me get black, I me sign up back on a new page.